Not all fruit trees are created equally. Today I'm going to show you some fruit trees that stand out for one reason or another out here in Southern California, Zone 10. There's a lot of beautiful old fruit trees in the area, and some of them are special and they deserve recognition and they deserve respect and they deserve to be highlighted. So you're going to see some of them now in this video. Let's go. Come on. There's the first one. Look at that. This is a white sapote tree. Beautiful, beautiful tree. I'm going to say it's about 15 to 20 feet tall. And wow, I don't know if it's a seedling or not. Let's take a look at the fruit. Let me try to find some fruit on here so you guys can see what it looks. Oh, there's a big cluster right there. You see all the fruit hanging? Let me try to get closer. Whoa, yeah. Yeah, oh, it has a lot of fruit. Lots and lots of fruit. Oh, look at these guys. Look at that. Nice white sapotes. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, okay. Oh, good fruit set. This is actually the most fruit it has that I've seen ever. All right. So you're probably thinking, AJ, why are you showing me this white sapote tree? This random tree? Well, this tree right behind me makes the best white sapotes I've ever had. And I've had a lot of them. I've had the name varieties, I've had seedlings. Nothing beats this one right behind me. It has a deep, deep concentrated flavor. Closest thing I can describe it is butterscotch. Intense caramelly butterscotch candy-like flavor. You remember those little butterscotch candies that came in the wrappers from way back when? I don't even know what they're called, Wesson or something like that. It tastes like that. They're so good. There's one on the ground. Some animal ate this one. But wow. It's wow. Yeah, this is a really special fruit. I will get some scions of this and we will propagate this variety because it deserves to be propagated. I don't know if it's grafted or not. I have no idea, but very special white sapote. One of the best, no, the best I've had so far. So far. That's the first tree. Let's go look at another tree. All right, there's the next tree. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Oh, baby. That's a reed avocado. That's what a fully grown reed avocado tree looks like. A lot of people, I get a lot of emails, a lot of messages from folks telling me that they've planted a reed and that they've just planted one and it's young. Well, this is what a fully grown one looks like. And man, it's one of the best looking trees I've seen. This tree's been pruned back since last time I was here. If you look over here, it used to be actually much taller and much more wide. They used to take over that side of the house too, but they pruned that away. You see the curve right there with my hand? All that got pruned off. It used to grow way more that way. But still, look at this. Man, this reed is like 25 feet tall. And this takes the award, in my opinion. I've seen a lot of avocado trees in a lot of different places. In my opinion, this is the most beautiful avocado tree in this area. It's really nice. I like the foliage. I like the way it's structured, even though they pruned it pretty heavily. It used to look a lot better, but it's still really, really beautiful. I love this tree. And I wanted to show people what a fully grown reed avocado looks like. Look at that. Oh, yes. Let's get under here and see if we can find some fruit. Oh, man, look at all that. Oh, baby. Look at that fruit set. Uh-oh, hold on. Big, big fruit set over here under this reed avocado. There's more over there. And more right here. Reeds all over the place, baby. All right. Look at that. Let me try to find some more, even though that's a lot. Look at that. Just beautiful. Just nice. Here's the trunk. Thick trunk. This tree is quite a few years old. Just looking at that trunk, you can almost probably see the graft line here too. You see? See the line where it was grafted? Maybe that's the graft line, even after many, many years. But look at that. Keeps going up. and producing lots of avocados. Yes. Oh man, I just found, look straight up. Look straight up. Oh dang. Oh dang. Oh my God, look at that. Look, look, look. There's like 20, 30 avocados right there in that section. That's crazy. Oh, that is unbelievable. That is a magnificent sight to see. What a great tree. You can't go wrong with the reed. I've talked a lot about the reed. It is a very productive tree, hyper productive tree. And man, did you just see that cluster of fruit? Let's look at it one more time. That was kind of unbelievable. Hold on, let me get back in here. Let me try to find that thing again. Oh, there it is. We gotta take one more look at that. Whoa. That's insane. I hope I can capture that on the film correctly. Yep. That's how reed does, man. It makes a lot of fruit and it's consistent. So let's take one more look at this amazing reed avocado before we say goodbye and we move on to the next tree. Let's go look at another tree. Come on, let's go. Avocado. 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 Big old avocado. Huh. Big avocado. Avocado. Another one. So this is a row of avocados in a parking lot next to the freeway. This is a throwback. This is California history. What you're looking at is a little slice of California history back in the time when folks would plant avocado trees all over the place, looking for a new variety, looking for varieties that grow well here. These are all Mexicola types, the cold hardiest types. And that's why I say it's a slice of California history, because these were planted back in a time when the threat of a frost or a freeze was very real here in the winters in Southern California. And people were looking for cold hardy varieties like these. And I think they found some of them, and these trees still standing here many, many years later. These trees, just looking at the trunk, these trees are at least 50 to 60 years old. A throwback to the time when, yes, a freeze was a definite threat. And they're still here today. Some of them are very good, and they're great. This tree in particular makes very good avocados, but I don't see any avocados on this tree right now. Hold on. I'm looking. Look at the trunk here. Look, these were planted everywhere. This is planted on the side of the freeway. People were tossing seeds everywhere looking for something. This one doesn't have fruit. This one, I take that back. This tree actually doesn't produce. It's actually this tree that produces. And it usually has good avocados, but I don't see any on them this year. Again, look at that thick trunk. This is an old tree, man. Old tree. Over here, over here, next to the freeway. Very, very interesting. A throwback. Let's go look at one more tree along this row. By the way, I don't have time to walk down the street, but this entire street is planted with avocado trees all along the street, every few hundred feet or so, or less. But this is a great place if you're out here hunting for avocados. Look at this one. This one has fruit. Ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at the mother tree of the 405 avocado. This is it. This is what it looks like. This is the mother tree. Look at that. This one is loaded down with fruit. Wow, I thought this tree was gonna die, but it's hanging on to life. And look at the fruit set. It's crazy. This is the 405 avocado. If you want to learn more about the 405 avocado, subscribe to my channel. I've done a few videos about this variety, and I've talked about this variety quite a bit. It's got a lot of fruit. Wow, this is actually the most fruit it's had this ever that I've seen on it. Wow, a beautiful, beautiful fruit set. Now, the 405 avocado, it's the Mexicola type, the thin skin black avocado, the small ones. And these have a strong, intense flavor. A lot of people leave comments and they tell me, look, hey, AJ, why are you so obsessed with avocados? They taste like paste. They don't taste like anything. Well, you gotta try one of these, and then hopefully you would change your mind, because the flavor on these is intensified. It's like you dial up the avocado flavor just a little bit more, and you get some of that flavor that some of these can have. And this one has great flavor. I like this one more than the Mexicola and the Mexicola Grande variety. In fact, they look very similar, but I don't think they're the same. I think this is a unique seedling, and the flavor on this is much better, in my opinion, than the Mexicola and the Mexicola Grande. It is just a great fruit, and I'm very happy to see that the tree is still alive and it's producing a heavy crop. And this, look, these will be ready here in a few months. Actually, no, these are ready now. You can pick them because they're black. That's how you know you can pick them. Look at that. So the great thing about these is they fill in the season. This is a variety you can have if you want to have avocados year round, because they're ready to pick it here in the autumn, October, November, December, and at a time where avocados, not a lot of avocados are available, as we're kind of in between seasons. This is a season, a gap filler, and it's a great, fantastic avocado. And I wanted to highlight this. This tree is hanging on to life. I wanted to get it on video and record it while it's still alive. But it looks like it's clinging on to life, which is a very encouraging thing to see. Super tough tree. Look at it. It's planted there. No one cares for it. No one waters it. No one gives it any kind of special attention or care. It lives off the very little rainwater we get every year. So super tough tree. The 405 avocado. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Let's go to the next tree. Come on, let's go. Okay, so this last tree I want to show you is special just because of its size. It is big. It's unusual for the size that it has achieved. It's a subtropical, tropical tree that I was shocked the first time I saw it, because usually these types of trees don't get this big out here in Southern California, Zone 10. But this one has achieved it. Look at this. Look, 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 look. It's a mango tree. Oh, baby, look at the size. You know what? Let me cross the street so you guys can capture and see the size of this tree. It looks, I've driven by this tree many times and I didn't notice it because it looked like a street tree. It looks like a tree that gets planted, by the city. But nope, this is a mango tree, and it's the size of mango trees that mango trees get in the tropics and the subtropics. If you go to Mexico, you go to Jamaica, you go to India, you go to anywhere where mangoes grow, they usually get to this size, which is at least 30 feet tall. That's like a 25 to 30 foot tall mango tree. And wow, hold on, let me cross the street before I get hit. Look at that. Whoa, incredible size mango tree. And look at the little mango on it. Big tree, small mango. I have no idea what variety this is, but I am 95% certain that it is a seedling. Look at the huge trunk, damn. That's a legitimate sized tree, mango tree. Huge scaffold branches, huge branches all over the place. I'm very confident that this is a seedling, because grafted trees, basically all they do is flower and they don't actually put out vegetative growth. But this one, as you can see, has put out a tremendous amount of vegetative growth. Whoa, there's another little mango right there. I haven't tried the fruit off this tree. I've yet to try it. I don't know much about it, but man, it is magnificent. It's big. This is the top 5. This is in the top 5 of biggest mango trees in Southern California that I have seen. There are other neighborhoods more inland. If you go more inland, we're a little bit closer to the coast here. You go inland, East LA, east of downtown. That is like mango country. The people there love fruit trees, and they plant mango trees that get huge. And I think I'm gonna do a video there too, because some of the trees there are so impressive. But this is the one that is as closest to the coast. Has gotten this big. Whoa, man, so great to see this. So encouraging. And I always encourage people to plant seedlings, because you're gonna get actual growth. You're gonna get a tree that's gonna get a thick enough trunk to be able to hold its fruit. You know, look at that. So this is coming over into the sidewalk. Look. Man, oh man, massive mango tree. Oh, here's more fruit right here. Little tiny fruits. I don't know why they don't get bigger. But there it is. That's a mango tree. Big mango tree. Growing out here, Southern California. Again, I felt, when I saw that, I'm like, man, is this like a time machine? Did they get warped into the tropics, subtropics? Nope. There it is right there. Beautiful. Maybe I should knock on the door and ask the owner about the tree. Maybe. I might do that. But those are 4 amazing fruit trees that you saw out here in Southern California. A lot more to come. There's a lot more neighborhoods all around town that have tremendous, beautiful fruit trees. Some neighborhoods, I'm telling you, the fruit tree population in those neighborhoods is stunning. And I'm gonna visit some of those neighborhoods and show you the diversity and the size and the beauty of some of these fruit trees out here, Southern California. As usual, give me a like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Leave me a comment. Let me know how your trees are growing. Stay in touch. Bye-bye.